We've been in a relationship for about, say, 4 or 5 years. We've been best friends for 10 plus years though.
We just started playing with toys of that nature. We just use vibrators. That's the app that we connect. Oh, the remote's so cute.
And this is for me?
Yeah, it's for you.
Very interesting. Oh, comfortable. Comfortable. Overall, though, it was an interesting experience. Very interesting.
I feel like I liked the app and like how I could easily like access it and I don't have to be like in the room. Had a little fun with it.
I think want to admit it or not, it was a great feeling. Yeah, 10 across the board.
Someone's like thinking about it, this is a good product to like kind of start. It wasn't like too intimidating.
It was great. Yeah, go for it. We was vibing.
I think he enjoyed it.